Ever asked an AI chatbot a specific question and gotten a frustratingly generic response? Or even worse, a completely made up answer? Modern AI is incredibly powerful, but it has one critical limitation. It's stuck with the knowledge it was trained on. What if you could create an AI assistant that understands your specific word? An AI that can dive into your research papers, legal documents, or personal knowledge base and answer questions with pinpoint accuracy. That's exactly what retrieval augmented generation or RAG makes possible. Traditional AI models are like students who memorized a textbook but can't access any additional information during an exam. They're impressive but fundamentally limited. When you ask about something outside their training data, they either give you vague response or start hallucinating, making up information that sounds plausible but is completely false. Imagine trying to get detailed information about a recent update to your company's product or asking a research assistant about the latest findings in a specific field. Traditional AI would struggle, at, at best giving you outdated or irrelevant information. RAG is a game changing approach that transforms how AI understands and uses information. Instead of memorizing everything, we give the AI a powerful search assistant, a system that can instantly find and retrieve the most relevant information from the specific knowledge base. Think of it like having a brilliant researcher who can instantly scan through thousands of documents, find the exact relevant passages, and then use those to craft a precise, informative answer. Now let's make this practical. What if you wanted to build your own AI research assistant? Here's how. The first step in RAG is indexing, preparing our documents for efficient retrieval. We gather all our documents and break them into meaningful chunks that represent coherent ideas or sections. These chunks are then transformed into vector embeddings, mathematical representation that capture their semantic meaning rather than just keywords. These vectors are stored in a specialized vector database where similar concepts cluster together, creating a knowledge base that organized by meaningful rather than just words, making it possible to find information based on concepts even when the exact phrasing differs. This indexing process happens just once when you upload your document. It's the preparation stage that makes everything else possible. Let's break down what's happening here. First, we are using LangChain, a powerful framework that simplifies building RAG applications by connecting various components like document loaders, embedding models, and vector stores. It's like a glue that holds our RAG system together. Next, we are chunking our documents. Chunking is critical because large language models have context limitations. They can only process a certain amount of text at once. By breaking documents into smaller, semantically meaningful pieces, we ensure that only the most relevant portions are retrieved later. Then we create embeddings. What are embeddings? They are numerical representations of text that capture meaning in hundreds of dimensions. Words or phrases with similar meanings will have similar embedding vectors. Even if they use different terminology, this is why embeddings are so powerful. They understand semantic relationships beyond simple keyword matching. Finally, we store these embeddings in ChromaDB, a vector database. Why not use normal database? Regular databases are great for exact matches, but terribly at finding semantic relationships. They can't efficiently answer questions like find me content similar to this query. Vector stores are specifically designed to perform similarity searches across these multidimensional embedding spaces. ChromaDB is perfect for development and smaller projects, but for production environments with large document collections, you might consider services like Pinecone or Viewweight that offer better scaling and performance. When a user asks a question, the retrieval process identifies the most relevant information, from our knowledge base. The system converts the user question into the same type of vector embedding used for our documents, placing it in the same mathematical space. It then performs a similarity search to find which document chunks have vector closest to the question vector, essentially identifying which pieces of content are most semantically relevant to what's being asked. The similarity search is the heart of retrieval. By default, ChromaDB uses cosine similarity, which measures the angle between vectors rather than their magnitude. This works well because we care about directional similarity rather than vector size. Other similarity measures include Euclidean distance. It's a straight line distance between vectors. A dot product. Simple but less normalized than cosine. Jagged similarity. Better for categorical data. The choice depends on your specific use case and data characteristics. But cosine similarity works well for most text applications because it focuses on the relationship between concepts, regardless of document length. The final step combines the power of large language models with the precision of your specific information. The system sends both original question and the retrieved relevant context to the language model with instructions to base its response on its authoritative information. In this stage, LangChain helps us connect our retriever with the language model using a chain. The chain type is equal to stuff. Parameter tells LangChain to simply stuff all retrieved documents into the prompt context. There are other strategies for more complex scenarios, but this works well for most applications. For our implementation, we are using Fast API to create a simple web service that accepts document uploads and processes them through our indexing pipeline. Provides an endpoint to query our RAG system and get answer. This API gives us two endpoints. One is /uploads, upload and index a document, /retrieve, ask questions about the uploaded documents. But we are not stopping at the basics. Advanced RAG introduces techniques like semantic chunking, breaking documents in ways that preserve meaning. Query rewriting. It's improving retrieval by rephrasing questions. Result re-ranking. Ensuring only the most relevant information is used. RAG isn't just a technical curiosity. It's transforming how we interact with information. Research assistants that understand specialized domains. Customer support bots with deep product knowledge. Personal knowledge management systems. Compliance and legal research tools. We've gone from AI that gives generic limited responses based only on its training data to a system that can dive deep into your specific knowledge base and provide precise contextual answers. Retrieval augmented generation isn't just an improvement, it's a fundamental reimagining of how AI can understand and use information. Whether you're a researcher, a product manager, or just someone who wants more intelligent AI interactions, RAG is the future. What's a use case where you would love to see RAG in action? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.